Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Sizing Columns and Rows. Columns and rows can be adjusted to appropriately display data in the spreadsheet. To expand a column, move the cursor between the two column headings, in this case L and M. When the cursor changes to the two black arrows, left-click, hold and drag larger. Row heights can be expanded in the same manner. Alternatively, right-click on the row number and select Row Height from the right-click menu. Enter the value, measured in pixels, into the text box and press the OK button. The row height and column width tools are also available under the Format tool on the Home tab. In this tutorial, I have changed the column width and row height in 3 different ways. All methods have the same result. However, use the method which you are most comfortable with. AutoFit can be used to automatically adjust the column width or row height. To use AutoFit, move the cursor between the two column headings and double-click. Watch carefully how I auto-fit the columns where the information is not fully visible. Remember to position the cursor carefully between the row and column headings before double-clicking. AutoFit is also available under the Format tool. Note, the column or row must be selected first. Another useful function found under the Format tool on the Home tab is Default Width. This enables the default size of unadjusted columns to be specified.